Horror story of Chulli Bulli in dark forest. Once upon a time, in the heart of a dense forest, there lived a mischievous creature named Chulli Bulli. Chulli Bulli was a tiny but feisty forest imp with a penchant for causing trouble. With his sharp wit and cunning tricks, he kept the other woodland creatures on their toes. One moonlit night, as the forest was shrouded in an eerie silence, Chulli Bulli decided it was the perfect time to play one of his infamous pranks. He tiptoed through the shadows, his tiny form barely noticeable among the towering trees. As he crept deeper into the forest, Chulli Bulli came across a clearing where a group of animals had gathered for a midnight feast. Sensing an opportunity for mischief, he silently approached and began to weave his magic. With a flick of his tiny fingers, Chulli Bulli enchanted the food, causing it to dance and jiggle on the plates. The animals watched in amazement and confusion as their feast turned into a lively spectacle. But just as Chulli Bulli was reveling in his trickery, a deep rumble echoed through the forest. It was the voice of the forest guardian, an ancient and powerful spirit who watched over the woods. Feeling a pang of guilt, Chulli Bulli knew he had crossed a line. He darted through the trees, the forest guardian's voice growing louder with each step. Branches whipped at his face, and roots snagged at his feet, but still, he pressed on, his heart pounding in his chest. Finally, Chulli Bulli stumbled into a small clearing, panting for breath. He glanced back, expecting to see the forest guardian hot on his heels. But to his surprise, there was nothing but silence. Realizing he had escaped punishment once again, Chulli Bulli let out a mischievous chuckle. Though he knew he should probably mend his ways, he couldn't help but feel a thrill at the thought of his next adventure in the forest. And so, with a twinkle in his eye, he disappeared into the night, ready to stir up more trouble another day.